Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Alisa Fazlin binti ADANAN. Metric numbers D202010938835. In this video, I'm going to share about demand. Let's get started. What is demand? Demand is how much of a good buyers are willing and able to purchase during a given period, other things being equal. Next, the law of demand that shows other things remaining constant, quantity demanded varies inversely with price, which is, as price increases, quantity demanded decreases, and as price decreases, quantity demanded increases. Demand schedule is a table that indicates the quantity demanded at each price, such as the example table below. Demand curve is a graphic representation of demand schedule. It shows the relationship between price and quantity demanded. It slopes downward as in the figure below. Next, individual demand versus market demand. Individual demand means demand for a product or service of one individual, while market demand is sum of all individual demands for a product or service. The tables and diagrams shows individual demand, which is consumer 1 and consumer 2. And market demand after sum of all individual demands. For example, at a price 1 ringgit Malaysia, consumer 1 have 2 unit of good X and consumer 2 have 1 unit of good X. So the market demand for good X is 3. Next, change in quantity demanded versus change in demand. When price changes, the quantity demanded will change and movement along same curve, while a change in one or more of the non-price determinants of demand will alter the quantity demanded at any given price, and the demand curve will shift. Increases the quantity demanded will increase in demand, so demand curve shift to the right. Decreases the quantity demanded will decrease in demand, so demand curve shift to the left. The figure shows from D to D1 because of increase in demand and D1 to D because of decrease in demand. Lastly is the determinants of demand. First is taste. Change in taste will changes the demand. Second is number of consumer. An increase in the number of consumer cause market demand and product demand increases. Third is income. Normal good is positively correlated with income, such as shoes and bag. And inferior good is negatively correlated with income, such as used furniture. Next is prices of related goods. Substitute is positively correlated with change in the price of related goods such as Coke and Pepsi, while complementary is negatively correlated such as printers and ink cartridge. Last is expectation. In future price and future income will increase can causes current demand to increase. Taste, number of consumers, income, price of related goods, and expectation had a shift in demand curve, and only price had movement along the supply curve. That's all from me. Thank you.